So in today's video, we're going to talk about adding facilities tags to your spaces. So when your employees are looking at the spaces available to them, they're going to be able to see in the timeline all of the spaces, whether it's desks, pods, football tables, whatever it is that you have in your office. And then just to the right of them, they'll be able to have the little icons, which are the facilities tags. So this will represent things like dual monitors, or desk 2 and desk 3 are window seats. You can also interact with your spaces by clicking into them, and it will show you in the interactive floor map what facilities are available at each space. So to get this set up, we want to go to Space Management. You'll see the space type column. So this will have things like all of your facilities at each desk. So I can see desks 10 and 11, they're standing desks. Desks 12 has a powered dock. So if I want to add in a new tag for these spaces, I just choose the spaces, so 10 and 11, and I click Add Tags. And I go to this drop-down menu here, and I can say, let's add this as an accessible desk. So this will add a wheelchair icon to them. So if I just scroll down again here, I can see, if I go into Space Management, that desks 10 and 11, they've both got the accessible desk tag in there. Now, you'll have a bunch of things in there by default, such as dual monitors, chargers, powered docks, accessible desk icons, but there may be cases that you want to add in that we haven't already thought of. So this can be done as a custom tag. So if you go here into Management, and then the first one under Management will be your company's name settings. So you click into that, and you scroll down all the way to the bottom. So it's second from bottom, and it's custom tags. And so within here, we can now add in tags that aren't there by default, but you might want to include. So we use a really nice graphics library called Font Awesome. So Font Awesome have, I think it's about 8,000 icons now. And so you can search for anything that you want to add in. And any name that you see here is simply the name that we'll be adding in WiggleDesk. So what that looks like is, let's say I've got an instance where some of my employees are quite sensitive to light. So I want to identify all the areas in the office that are bright lighting. So I'm going to give it an easily understood name. So I'm just call it bright lighting. And then for my icon, it just has to relate to an icon name from Font Awesome. So I'm going to search for light, because there should be some good icons there. Well, it looks good. There's a lot of different ones. Traffic lights, ceiling lights, light switches, light bulb on. That's quite nice. So I just copy the name here, and I take it back to WiggleDesk, paste it in, and hit save. And so when this now reloads, it will appear in my drop-down menu here. So bright lighting is in there. Now if I want to add that into a space, I just go back to my floor map, and within here I get Space Management. So I just click Desk 1 into there, and I click Add Tags, and it should be available at the bottom of the list. There we go, bright lighting, save, and I should see, yeah, Desk 1, bright lighting. If I get Space Management, cool, it's in there as well. If I want to delete a space tag, just click X, and it's gone. So that's how getting set up with facilities tags. There's a few other things that we've got other videos on, such as creating space restrictions for different teams, or toggling desks on and off as active. See you in the next video.